auction in less than 2 months. So there's a quick one-line question that came in, and I think we should dive into it. Can you wholesale a house that is going to Hey my friend, this is Ola coming to you live from myEmpirePRO studios. I am the author of Smart Real Estate Wholesaling, as well as the creator of the 11dayschallenge.com. On this episode, we're talking about auction in less than 2 months. So there's a quick one-line question that came in, and I think we should dive into it. Can you wholesale a house that is going to be auctioned in less than 2 months? It's a fantastic question, okay? But the straight up answer, in case you need the answer, you need to exit this video in 30 seconds. The straight up answer is really yes, okay? But I think it's very important that I share some details of how these things work. Now, it depends on your state, but it's pretty similar in most states. If anything, the timeline can be different from state to state, from stopping making payments on your mortgage to the house actually being foreclosed on, meaning taken away from the homeowner, right? For life, right? Sometimes redeemable, right? Depends on the laws of the land where you live in, county by county, state by state, depending on the state you live in, basically. All right. So now with that being said, we're talking about real estate wholesaling. The person, can you wholesale a house? What is wholesale? Wholesale is the art and the science of finding deeply discounted properties using marketing, professional, skillful marketing to find deals. How do you do that? You market to people that are motivated to sell, people that are in a distressed situation. They own a property that is a liability. So it could be unwanted inheritances. They're going through divorce, pre-foreclosures, like in this case, almost losing the house to an auction, like in this case, expired listings. They try to sell, they couldn't sell. Now they've moved out of state, and it's become a big problem for them. So these are the different, there are many tax delinquency, there are many public list of people that you can target that will be interested in selling you a house at a significant deep discount. But does it happen every day? Well, if it was easy, everyone would be doing it, right? So clearly it's not. It's a professional game. It's a game. It's a skill set, right? It's for hustlers, right? It's for people that are willing to stick through. It's not for people that just want to argue on YouTube channels. It's not for those kind of people. It's for hustlers that will get out there and work. When I say get out there, it doesn't necessarily mean physically in the cold. It means you're able to figure out that there's a laptop, there's internet, there's phones, there's getting off your butt and just talking to people. That's why I like TTP, which is the other platform, Wholesale Inc. It's true. You have to talk to people, but talking to people is not that simple. You have to generate leads, right? You have to generate people that are interested, that raise up their hand and say, hey, I have a property, a piece of property I need to sell. Or this is the other part they don't tell you. Or, hey, I'm interested in real estate investing. Do you have any properties on your inventory? Can you find me a property? I'm interested in buying a property at 65% discount minus repair, so I can flip it for a profit. I'll give you 5 grand. I'll give you 10 grand. Well, it's the game. It's a skill set. But everything I just said, I can write it down on 5 lines, okay? It's a step by step. And on this channel, you learn all of that, okay? So now the question, since you know what wholesale is, right? Can you wholesale a house? Meaning, can you buy low a house and sell high a house that is going to be auctioned in 2 months? So the homeowner is facing foreclosure, and they've sat on this for a while, right? They've been sitting on it for a while. They thought they were going to come up with the money, but now they are literally less than 2 months away from a scheduled foreclosure auction sale, right? Can you do it? Yes, I have done 2 weeks from foreclosure before, okay? 2 weeks, because the homeowner was motivated. They gave me all the paperwork I needed. The bank was like, okay, I'll give you 30 days so we can get all the, line all the ducks in a row, get the BPO and we got it done. I've done that before. So every time I see somebody is like 2 weeks away from foreclosure, I still take on, I get the paperwork signed. I warn them, I say, hey, listen, if you can move fast, we may be able to get it done, right? But if you can't move fast, if you're going to be like, I'm at work today, if you can't take off work to get the paperwork over to me, you're probably going to lose the property. So again, the closer you get, obviously, to the foreclosure auction, the higher the chances they are going to lose the property and there will be no deals, right? But can it be done? Yes. The banks are just people sitting in a cubicle just looking for ways to make the money flip a little faster and more profitably. That's it, okay? So if you can get them 150 grand right now and they don't have to go through the process of paying attorneys another $50,000 for the next 6 months to get the property sold, they will do the deal if it makes sense. Okay, all you have to do is go through the process, and you never know how motivated a file is. There's something called a motivated file. That means a file on the table of some kind of underwriter at the bank, and they are willing to just the investor behind the file said, just get rid of it, just get rid of the note. And you never know, or they may just have a package of mortgage files that they just need to flip and get rid of, get anything you can get out of it, because they need to move their money somewhere else, because the faster they can move their money, the more money they're gonna make. Does that make sense? So you should always go for it. So the answer is yes, it can be done. You never know, but there's one condition. The homeowner must be truly motivated. That means they must be willing to move fast and get you all the documents you need. Obviously, you need to be willing to move fast and get the documents they need. You can get a 30 here in New Jersey. I know you can get a total of 30 days extension, about 14 days at a time, about 28 days altogether. You get one and then you get another one. Or you can even call the bank and say, can you put in the extension from your end, because I already have an offer in the system. And a lot of time the bank will put in the extension, meaning the homeowner has not used up their 2 different extensions, meaning you can even use that later to buy more time. It's all about asking questions. Just keep in mind that everyone just want to make money. They want to flip their money faster. They want the money to bring in more money. That's what this is all about. Okay, so yes, the answer is yes. If you want more information on how to generate leads so you can have more and more leads coming in, so you can make as many mistakes as you want, go to smartrealestatewholesaling.com and download this book absolutely for free. If you go there right now, I'll give you this one as a bonus: Real Estate Money Secrets. So Smart Real Estate Wholesaling. Hopefully you've been enlightened and educated. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.